Hidden inside the wild, an abandoned Rolls-Royce waits in silence, forgotten by time, covered in rust and mystery. Years of neglect have eaten through the metal, every touch revealing how badly this luxury machine has been forgotten. From every angle, the once luxurious Rolls-Royce now stands broken, rusted, and abandoned in the middle of the wilderness. Inside, the story continues, a once royal cabin now buried under dust, decay, and years of complete abandonment.
We locate the position and call for recovery, because this forgotten Rolls-Royce is finally going back for restoration.
Help arrives on site as the crane and transport truck reach the location to recover this lost luxury machine.
With careful lifting and secure chains, the damaged Rolls-Royce is safely loaded onto the transport truck.
The recovered Phantom stays locked in place as the transport truck carries it down the highway toward the restoration facility.
The abandoned Rolls-Royce finally reaches Classic Resto Hub, where its complete transformation is about to begin.
The same recovered Rolls-Royce is carefully lifted and positioned onto the service lift for detailed restoration work.
The lift raises the Phantom just enough to expose the underbody for the first stage of cleaning and inspection.
A high-pressure rinse begins, washing away years of loose dirt from the Phantom's exterior and underbody. Special cleaning foam and degreaser are applied to break down stubborn grime before detailed scrubbing begins.
Careful brushing works the chemicals into every gap, loosening years of compacted dirt and residue.
The final rinse clears away foam and residue, revealing the true condition of the Phantom before restoration begins. We begin inside the cabin, revealing the original worn interior before any parts are removed for restoration. The old seat bolts are carefully loosened and collected so every original part stays organized for rebuild. With the bolts removed, the front and rear seats are taken out to expose the original cabin structure. The steering wheel and dashboard are removed step by step to access the hidden electrical and control systems. All doors are opened to inspect hidden rust and prepare the body shell for deeper restoration work. The bonnet opens and the original engine is carefully lifted out for a complete teardown and rebuild. The engine teardown begins as each component is removed and sorted for inspection and restoration. Every small fastener is stored separately to ensure precise reassembly without losing original alignment. The internal components are opened and inspected to identify wear before rebuilding begins.
Deep cleaning removes years of residue, so every internal part can function like new again.
The engine is reassembled with precision, restoring its structure before final finishing and installation.
The rebuilt engine is cleaned from the outside to prepare it for its final restored appearance. The restored engine is presented in its renewed condition, ready for installation back into the Phantom.
Structural welding begins underneath, repairing rusted and weakened metal to restore the car's original strength. Damaged side panels are reinforced with fresh metal, carefully welded to rebuild the body's original shape. Upper frame and roof joints are welded to secure every weak point before moving to surface restoration. The front left tire is removed, exposing the rim beneath, ready for cleaning and restoration. The rim is cleaned thoroughly, removing all dust, rust, and grime to prepare for the golden finish. Gold paint is applied evenly on the rim, giving it a fresh, luxurious appearance. A brand new tire is fitted onto the freshly painted gold rim, completing the first wheel restoration.
The vehicle's roof and hood are stripped down, revealing clean, raw metal, free from rust and old paint.
Side panels and doors are stripped carefully, exposing smooth, fresh metal while preserving the car's structural integrity. Rear panels and bumpers are stripped to bare metal, fully prepared for the next stage of restoration. Body filler is applied meticulously on the roof and hood, smoothing out all dents and imperfections. Side panels and doors are carefully filled, ensuring a perfectly smooth surface ready for sanding and paint. The entire vehicle is now covered with body filler, creating a smooth, uniform surface ready for the next phase.
Gold metallic paint is applied meticulously to the roof and hood, highlighting the vehicle's curves and contours.
Side panels and doors receive the gold metallic finish, transforming the car into a luxurious, eye-catching masterpiece.
The final gold coat is applied across the rear body, completing a smooth, flawless metallic finish over the entire vehicle.
Brand new premium seats are carefully installed, bringing comfort and luxury back to the cabin. The restored dashboard is fitted into place, rebuilding the front cabin with a clean and elegant layout. The interior system powers on for the first time, confirming everything is properly installed and working. Carefully installed front headlights bring clarity and elegance back to the gold luxury body. Rear lighting is restored with precision, completing the gold car's refined look. New side window glass is installed carefully, keeping the gold luxury body perfectly preserved. Front and rear glass are fitted with precision, completing the clean and refined gold finish.
Brand new chrome door handles are installed carefully, enhancing the premium gold exterior look.
The driver's side mirror is fitted precisely, matching the same deep metallic gold finish.
The passenger side mirror is installed, completing the balanced and elegant gold exterior setup.
Almost our restoration project is complete. Take a close look at this fully revived luxury machine. The exterior now shines with a deep metallic gold finish, clean, sharp, and factory fresh.
From every angle, the body looks flawless. No rust, no damage, only a premium restored finish. Inside, everything is rebuilt. Fresh seats, clean dashboard, and a luxury cabin feel. The rear cabin is also fully restored, clean, comfortable, and ready like a brand new car.
If you love this full restoration, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for the next luxury rebuild.